Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Today's video, I was going to show you this Shawlette. Here's the one that I had on in yesterday's video, and I showed the yarn off. It's right here. This is Yarn Bee Urban Chick. And as you can see, it was on a clearance at Hobby Lobby, so I don't even think they have this anymore. But I haven't been to Hobby Lobby, I don't know, maybe in six months or more. I have not been to Hobby Lobby since spring, probably, of last year. I didn't even go to their clearance sale that they have last year. So it's been a while since I've been there. And so I don't even know if they even carry this. But that's it right there. That's what I made with it. That's what I wore yesterday. And today's the one I'm wearing. And this is my tutorial. This is the Mindful Mauve is the color on this one. And it's right here. Isn't that pretty? It is Shawl in a Ball from Line Brand. I think there's about 518 yards in this. It's a medium 4 weight. And it seems more like 3 though. Let's see. As you can see, that's a really thin 4 weight. So I think it's more of a 3. 58% cotton, 39% acrylic, and 3% other fiber. So, and as you saw how that would fit me yesterday, it came more up to here. Well, this one, that one is half the size of this one. And then right here is, see how much longer it hangs, where I did that little tip where I tie these together and it stays all day. Well, the other one, you know, only had like, well, it tied right up there pretty close to my neck, and I only had like that much left. But I used 275 yards on that one there, and 518 on this one. I love scarves, but I like this as an alternative to whenever I don't want to wear a scarf. I just put one of these on. So anyway, so yeah, go check out that tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description box below, or may even attach it up here somewhere where you can just click on it that way. But yeah, I gotta make me another one. I have another one of these cardigans in a kind of like a black and gray look. So I think I'm just gonna make a solid black one. I know, how boring, but it'll look so cute with the outfit. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and get it done. I've had tons of black 3-weight yarn, so it's not going to be a problem finding some 3-weight yarn in black. Who knows, if I give up that cardigan, I could use this. So anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and see what I bought from Premier. I did snag some Premier Serenity Chunky Tweed yarn, so let's take a look at that. So I bought 4 colors, and I bought 4 skeins of each color. So let's go ahead and take a look at them and see what they're made of, and see what colors they are. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the gray one here. Can you see all the colors and stuff in that? It seems like it has a little bit of a shine to it. But anyway, it's 109 yards, 97% acrylic, 3% viscose, 5 bulky. Serenity, Premier Serenity Chunky. What color is this? Here it is, iron. So I bought 4 of those. And yeah, that's my little one walking around. That's Lady. Do you hear your name? You hear your name? Okay, and then this one here is what it looks like. And Premier Serenity Chunky. Here's the color on it. Mustard. let's go with this reddish looking one. The color on this is called Claret. And then there's it up close. There we go. All right, and then my last one I got, this is called Cream. It's the color on this one. And I just think they're beautiful. I can't wait to make something with these. I'm not much of a chunky person. You guys know 4-weight is my favorite. And then DK is my next. To expand and start learning to work with 5 bulky yarns. Because honestly, I just not sure how to make things fit unless it's a bulky pattern that I find. And so yeah, because I don't have much 5 bulky. I just don't have much of it in my yarns. Most everything is 4-weight, and then I have some, you know, DKs. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I ordered, and I thought that would help me maybe start learning to work with 5 bulky yarn. Okay, wasn't that cool? Those are some beautiful colors I feel that I snagged on Premier's website that day. They were on sale. I don't remember how much, but they were on sale, maybe $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. But yeah, I thought these are really pretty colors. Oh yes, and Mary, thank you so much for that flavored coffee. My husband tried the medium roast one and he loved it. And I did the vanilla one, and oh my gosh, they were both delicious. We loved them. Thank you so much for that. Okay, today I did get something off Amazon, a little package here. I've been watching, which I love, Tracy from I Love Loopy Crochet. Hi, Tracy. I love her channel. She's just a sweetheart. She is from Alabama. Anyway, she just tickles me. I just love watching her. Everything that she does, she opens. I mean, everything is just, she makes crochet world fun. And I just enjoy her. So anyway, she was gifted a box cutter for, I guess, I'm not sure what she was using before the box cutter. I can't remember. But I remember her struggling to open her boxes. And anyway, so someone gifted her a box cutter. And it's not like to cut boxes. It's like to cut the tape. And anyway, so when I get my boxes in and stuff, I'm always struggling. And so I mean, not on video, because I always just do mine before I do my video. So I thought, well, I'm going to see about getting some box cutter like Tracy's got. I don't know what hers look like because I can't really see it up close in the video. But I found these on Amazon for $3.99, and it's a set of 4. Aren't they cute? Now, I'm not going to use these to actually cut boxes. I'm going to use these to open packages. But see, and I think this is pretty sharp. I haven't got to use it yet because I haven't gotten a package in. But here's this side of it. And they were $3.99. I'll leave the link below from Amazon, and it'll take you directly to these if you need these. I just think they're adorable. And it's a pretty long blade. See, it goes all the way up. That's a pretty long blade. So if, I'm not sure, I think they have it to where when it gets dull, you can cut off, not cut off, but somehow take off that, it's got little, I don't know, level pieces, whatever. I think you can break those off. There you go. That's the right word I'm trying to find. I think you can break those off when they get dull. But anyway, so yeah, so that's the one I got. And it came in blue, a green, pink. I was disappointed because I thought it was going to have these little polka dots on it, but it didn't. It would have been real cute, wouldn't it? Anyway, and then yellow. So I'm going to have these basically all over my house for me, because when I get packages, I never know what room I'm in that I'm going to actually open it. The thing that I have is my doll outfit for Valentine's. I do have several outfits picked out that I want to put together. Looks, and I think I'm going to do Valentine for the next few weeks, and that way there's lots of choices. But here it is. I really wanted a small heart, but I don't have one, so I had to just use my little button. But this is glitter yarn right here that I did this with. The red's glitter, not the pink, just the red. But there it is. And then I made the hat where it's a roll hat, where it kind of rolls up. I wasn't sure how that was going to come out, but pleasantly surprised it did. I would like the row to be a little thicker. I guess I could have done a few more rows of that, but I'll take it. And anyway, and it buttons in the back. And then I have it where it droops down on the sides. I contemplated about putting like red up here and red here, and I was like, no, I think there's so much busyness here. I want to keep this a little bit more not so busy. And I wanted a big red heart. So anyway, yeah, that's going to be my pattern. Hopefully it'll go out this week. The pattern's at the testers right now. And I'd like for it to go out this week. So thank you guys for testing this for me. I appreciate it. And look for this pattern at adoringdollclothes.com. The pattern will be coming out. I do have a Facebook group page. I have one for my wearables that I show off, and the things I do, and that you guys comment and show off your stuff. And I have Adoring Doll Clothes group page where I do the same thing there, and all of you guys that make the doll clothes for, their kids and grandkids and nieces and all that stuff, a place for you to show off yours that you make. And it's just a lot of fun. I enjoy it. And then, of course, I have a Facebook page, Adoring Doll Clothes page. And but no one can really leave anything on that unless I post something. Then they can comment off my post. I don't know why, but Facebook does that. It's not me doing that. It's them. Group is where anyone can post. So anyway, go join those. Sign up for my email newsletter on Adoring Doll Clothes, and you get a free pattern every month. And that's just an accessory pattern, but it is a free pattern. And for the month of January, it is pocket shawl for the dolls. So anyway, and I have another pocket shawl that I'm actually going to be designing. Of course, it'll probably, I don't know, it could be in February or March. But anyway, so be looking for that one. Thank you guys for all the support on that. And I really, really appreciate that, because designing and sending it to the testers and taking the photos and all that, that's a lot of work, a lot of time. Like, probably don't even realize how much time it takes, but just to make a doll outfit, you think, oh, that's small, no big deal. It takes days to sometimes an entire week of, putting your main focus on the outfit. That's how much time is involved in just a doll outfit. So I appreciate you guys, all your support and stuff. And I'm trying, I try to create as many as I can to give you guys options. And because I know that whenever my daughter was young, and, I didn't crochet then. I actually did sewing. I sewed up all her doll outfits. I had tons and tons. And it was so much fun. I ought to pull those out someday and show you guys. They're up in the attic. Of course, that would be a whole video in itself, because one thing, I was pretty new at sewing, and not that they're not good. I think that they're good. It's just, I don't know if I did a lot of period era type clothing, I guess you could say. I did some modern clothing, but I really liked, I guess you'd say, period era. I guess that's the right word. I don't know. But anyway, I did a lot of that stuff. Okay, so the last thing is, I was gifted a new book, 365 Days of Prayer for Life. And this is from Jenna. Thank you so much for this. She got this off my Amazon wish list, and she sent it to me. So thank you so much for that. I've already been flipping through it, and I love this. And so this will be the one that I will be reading for 2022. So thank you for that. All right, let's go ahead and start with January. I think it's January 4th. Yeah, because I read January 4th already, and it's a good one. Okay. And it's got this little thing right there. Isn't that cool? Oh, yeah. And on the back side, it has a little scripture on the back. Isn't that neat? I was thinking about maybe taking a picture of this. Well, it's actually on the inside, too. Right here. See, it's on the inside. It's actually taking a picture of that and you putting that as the back of my slide. It says, don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. Philippians 4:6. And I was like, oh, that's beautiful. Anyway, so I thought about maybe putting that at the end of my slide just as a photo. But anyway, so we'll see. Let me grab a drink real quick. Okay, it says positive influence. Let your light shine before men in such a way that they may see your good works and glorify your Father who is in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Wonderful God, you are brighter than the sun. Your ways shine brilliantly in a dark world. Lord, I have joined my life to yours. May my life reflect your glory. I will not hoard the goodness you've placed in my life, living as if my interests are the only ones that matter. If I keep my light hidden, what's the point? Lord, I know that you have given me everything I need to live a life like yours. As I love others with mercy, may they realize how incredibly merciful you are. As I live with a heart of compassion towards all, may others catch on to how compassionate you are. When I treat others with kindness, no matter their station or attitude, may it be a reflection of your own inclusive kindness. Let all I do line up with your character. When it doesn't, let me be quick to repent and seek forgiveness and reconciliation, revealing your magnanimous heart that is swift to forgive. Be glorified in my life. It says, how do your actions reflect the heart of the Father? That is really good. And that was the first one out of this book. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this book. So thank you so much, Jenna, for sending this, gifting this. And it is going to touch a lot of people. And I just appreciate that very much. And I'm sure everyone else that enjoys the 365 days of prayer are going to enjoy this just as much. So yeah, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.